back to BST News. This is Jayashita Reddy from Telangana State. Let's have a look on headlines. Members of Bharat Scouts and Guides pay tribute to the great soul Dr. Manik Barsley, Chief Commissioner Guide, BSG and State Chief Commissioner Delhi, who passed away on 16th May. BSG joined hands along with Yuva for Young Warriors Initiative along with Generational Unlimited. Sankalp 2 is part of Yuva UNICEF BSG partnership. BSG will be completing 10 years of Messengers of Peace initiative along with the World Organization of Scouts movement. 24th Ashoka Group of West Bengal providing emergency taxi services to all the local community. Virtual meeting for FPM ABC state coordinators and trainers was organized on 14th May. Uttarakhand State Bharat Scouts and Guides conducted online beginners course. Rajya Puraskar testing camp conducted virtually by Nagaland State Bharat Scouts and Guides. The Meghalaya Scout and Guide in collaboration with Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides Fellowship had organized a virtual awareness discussion program on 15th May 2021. News in brief. National Headquarters and whole BSG India pay tribute to the great soul of Dr. Manik Barsley, who passed away on 16th May 2021. A condolence meeting was organized at National Headquarters on 17th May 2021 from 4 pm, and all the leaders of BSG and dignitaries, including the Chief National Commissioner of BSG, virtually connected and pay homage to the departed soul. Dr. Manik Barsley was the Chief Commissioner of Guides of the Bharat Scouts and Guides and was also State Chief Commissioner of Delhi State Bharat Scouts and Guides. She was a very dynamic and dedicated stalwart of Bharat Scouts and Guides who had served the organization in various capacities. BSG pays a humble tribute to the departed soul. Dr. K.K. Kandelwal, Chief National Commissioner of BSG, mentioned Manik Barsley will be the inspiration for coming generation forever. BSG members are recognized as young warriors by the community. Scouts and Guides all over the nation coming with various ideas to support the community in crisis like creating awareness, supporting administrations, service rendering at quarantine centers, vaccination centers, etc. Mask distribution by Scouts Guides of Madhya Pradesh. Grain distribution was done by the rover and ranger of Chhattisgarh state to help the needy people. Madhya Pradesh State Bharat Scouts and Guides distributed nutritious food packets along with packets of raw vegetables at Madhya Pradesh State Training Center Gandhinagar Bhopal to the needy families who were unemployed in COVID-19. Rovers of Rajasthan state are serving to stop the spread of COVID-19 and help the vaccination center. Muktidam Seva Samiti and Bharat Scouts and Guides Lormi honored all the nursing sisters of local hospital who played their important role in the health sector during this COVID pandemic. On the eve of Ramzan Eid celebrations, the Scouts and Guides of KGBV Adoni AP Model School, Orvakal distributed mask and sanitizer to the poor and needy in the local areas on 14th May 2021. BSG District Raipur are constantly showing readiness for service by following COVID-19 guidelines. In the same sequence, 18-year-old rovers rangers are self-vaccinating at the Registers Immunization Center as well as encouraging people for vaccination. Scout and Guide District Association Raipur are motivating people to increase the disease resistance of the body by doing yoga and pranayama, as well as they are arranging water and grains for birds. Food for Life food service done by Kalburgi, Tumkur, Bidar and Hassan districts of Karnataka, creating awareness of community by all the states of any region. Haryana State Bharat Scouts and Guides, Bisham Open Group rendered their service at Free Vaccination Center Kaital for 2 days, help in maintaining social distance and discipline during the vaccination on 17th and 18th May 2021. Scouts, Guides, Rovers, Rangers of Northern Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides, Barely Division continuously rendering their service for local people to supply the provision, cooked food, mask and sanitizer to help the people in this pandemic situation, reported on 19th May 2021. Uttarakhand State Bharat Scouts and Guides had conducted an online awareness seminar on COVID-19 and fungal infection affecting the people. Mrs. Kiran Rathore of Devas, Madhya Pradesh is teaching online yoga isolation patients every day. Service rendered at railway station by the members of BSG Sagar, Madhya Pradesh. Members of Shivaji Open Group, Dhanapur Division of East Central Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides distributed medicine at Didar Nagar station and also organized COVID awareness by thermal screening. 10 years of Messengers of Peace initiative by WOSM completed. A preparatory meeting held on 17th May 2021. The Messengers of Peace state, district and local coordinators were attended. Mr. Amar B. Chetri, Joint Director of Scouts Program and Training and National Coordinators for MOP, India welcomed the participants. Mr. Madhusudan Avala, Deputy International Commissioner Scout, gave a brief information of the program which is going to be organized by Asia Pacific Support Center of WOSM on successful completion of 10 years of MOP. The committee was formed which will work on various tasks for representing BSG India in global platform. A review meeting on advancement of youth program was successfully conducted under the leadership of Mr. Bablu Goswami, Assistant Director of Eastern Region on 17th May 2021. The Bharat Scouts and Guides Southern Region organized FBM ABC State Coordinators and Trainers meeting on 14th May 2021 virtually. 20 trainers attended the meeting with great enthusiastic energy with interacting. Srimati Kumud Mehra, ADSR, delivered the welcome speech. Srimati Radhika Triveni and Mr. Vedadri Sai, trainers of FBM and ABC from Andhra Pradesh, explained about the session plans to the participants. Then Ms. Madhu Shri from Karnataka and Mr. Praveen Aditya from Tamil Nadu shared the success stories, followed by the question and answer session. Mr. Saranjan, media correspondent, Southern Region, proposed the vote of thanks and the webinar came to end with national anthem. Yuva Generation Unlimited India of UNICEF is happy to collaborate with Sankalp 2 and it's a huge recognition for BSG India. The director of BSG congratulates to all its members for their distinguished service during this pandemic. Priyadarshini Government Girls Higher Secondary School, Navratildas Guides and Rangers under the leadership of Srimati Radhika Verma and Ms. Durga Lahiri Tilda are planting trees in their own house in view of shortage of oxygen and motivating people to plant trees. Yoga classes arranged for children of unemployed people by State Training Center Madhya Pradesh, Gandhinagar, Bhopal. District Palwal of Haryana State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized a virtual painting competition on safety from corona to create awareness in the local public on 16th May 2021. 75 Scouts and Guides participated in this competition. Uttarakhand State Bharat Scouts and Guides conducted online beginners course from 15th to 17th May 2021 in which 31 participants participated from various schools of Dehradun. On 18th May 2021, Samastipur Division of Bihar State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized a webinar on Free Being Me and Action on Body Confidence for Scouts, Guides, Scout Masters and Guide Captains. Mr. Bablu Goswami, Assistant Director of Eastern Region, graced the virtual gathering and blessed the participants. Mr. Alok Ranjan, State Coordinator of ABC and FBM of Bihar State, also gave brief information about the program. During the pandemic, Scouts and Guides of Kaleshwari Higher Secondary School, Vanyampatti Sri Villampur, Educational District of Tamil Nadu, coming forward with tree plantation program and Kabasura Kudnir distribution in Vanyampatti village. About 500 families covered under the project. Raja Puraskar testing camp conducted virtually by Nagaland State Bharat Scouts and Guides. The Meghalaya Scout and Guide Fellowship, in collaboration with Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides, had organized a virtual awareness discussion program held on 15th of May 2021. The main purpose of the program was to educate and create an awareness to the general public over various topics like mental health during pandemic, COVID vaccination, ill-being to well-being during the pandemic, and building of immune system. The rovers of mastered the Surja Sen rover crew of NF Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides Alipurduar district gives free tuition class of their home area. It will those whose teachers could not be able to visit for tuition due to lockdown. The Agnes Baden Powell Ranger team, the Bharat Scouts and Guides Northeast Frontier Railway Alipurduar division made a video to aware the people around us do's and don'ts of COVID-19. Shri A. Nagamalleshwar Rao, Honorable State Treasurer of Andhra Pradesh State Association, expired on 14th May 2021, and Shri P. Venkat Rao, Pre-ALT Rover of Visakhapatnam District Association, Andhra Pradesh State Bharat Scouts and Guides, has passed away on 17th May 2021. BSG pays homage to the departed souls. Rover Ranger of Agrasen International College, Chhattisgarh organized a condolence meeting on the sad demise of Dr. Manik Barsley, former Chief Commissioner of Guides of BSG, where Mr. G. Swami, National Commissioner of NTC Headquarters, and Mr. Rajesh Agarwal, Chairman, BSG Foundation, and Dr. Jyoti Janaswamy, Principal of Raipur College, were present. Upcoming events. To beat the COVID-19 fear and engage the member, BSG India coming with number of virtual events in coming days. 28th May Menstrual Hygiene Day Celebration 2021. Refer NHQ Circular number 48. I Am Global Citizen, a webinar on sustainable development goals. Refer NHQ Circular number 55. Asia Pacific Regional Scout Photo Contest 2021, NHQ Circular number 57. Observation of World Environment Day 2021, an online art competition. Refer NHQ Circular number 59. The Bharat Scouts and Guides Southern Region is going to organize a virtual talent show for youth who are in age group of 15 to 25 years on 29th May 2021 from 4 to 6 p.m. This is all for today's news. Stay safe, stay home. This is Jayashita Reddy from Telangana State. Thank you.